I had my first period almost 10 years ago. Magta-21 na po ako now. Meaning, I got my period when I was 11.
Eto na, kinabahan ako. Hindi ko ine-expect na magkakaroon agad siya. Alam mo yung parang sa atin, akala ko bata pa siya. Kaya nung sinabi niya sa akin yun, bigla rin akong natakot. But at the same time, masaya din ako kasi ano na siya, nagdadalaga na siya.
I was home and may nangyayari sa body ko na hindi ko alam, obviously. So things like, nalulungkot ako kahit hindi ako malungkot, na ganon. Or I'm starting to feel heavy sa puson ko, ganon. I go to pee, as a regular kid does. And then all of a sudden I see blood, which is very new to me. Obviously I would think, what is this? Is there something wrong with me? Am I sick? So I waited for mom to come home. So what I initially did was, tissue lang. Di kasi ako marunong.
Good thing, meron akong binili. Kinuha ko agad yung Charmy and pinatry ko sa kanya. Instead na ako yung una magta-try, kaya ako pala binili yon para matry niya.
Hindi na tissue. Hindi na po tissue ang ginagamit ko. Charmy na po ginagamit ko.
But the moment na in-explain ko sa kanya, since nagtatrabaho ako sa medical field, at naintindihan naman niya, ayun, nag-okay naman lahat.
So when she was educating me about which pads to use, of course, madaming option doon. But you want to use what's comfortable for you. And of course, I trust my mom with what she knows.
Okay, baby, eto, message ko na lang sa'yo is, dalawa lang lagi yung pamimilian mo, isang masama at isang mabuti. So, syempre, saan ka pa? Ano pang pipiliin mo? So, kung laging tama yung gagawin mo, hindi ka magkakamali.
Oh, Mom! At dahil time of the month mo na din, Ma, this is for you!
Yes, malapit na rin ako magkaroon.
Thanks, Mama. Love you.
I love you.
What about you guys? Share your first period experience with your mom or your daughter in the comment section below with the hashtags #CharmyPH, hashtag you can count on me, and hashtag moments with Charmy. See you guys! Say bye!